live? What will you be known for? I know that y'all are all young, middle school, high school, but you're never, ever too young to start saying, okay, what am I going to be known for? Start it now. Because I'll tell you what, if you're like, oh, I'll do that stuff later, sometimes it's hard to get your reputation back. Sometimes it's hard to, if you make the habit of your life to live in a way that is not pleasing to God, it's hard to get back. You can do it. Of course you can do it. By the power of God, you can do it. But start it now, before you get into a bunch of junk or mess, like my girl right here said. Before you get into all of that, say, I'm going to start living for God now. I'm going to walk on that path where I don't have to mess with all that junk, because I'm focused on Jesus Christ. Can y'all do that? Will y'all make that promise to me? Doesn't matter if you promise me, but to God. Say, Lord, I promise you, I am going to live a life for you.